Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today I'm showing you how to make no glue and no borax slime. So what you're going to be needing is a container to store your no glue slime in, some salt, and Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to squirt your acne wash into your bowl. So how much acne wash you put in your bowl is going to be how much slime you're going to get. It's like the same exact thing as glue, basically. But yeah, I'm just going to pour some in. This is like has a really jiggly like consistency, so it's like perfect for slime. But I want a good amount of slime, so I am using this much. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take a utensil. Oh, forgot to list that. You also need a utensil. Take a little pinch of salt and put it in my acne wash. Then I'm just gonna mix that until it's all combined very well. You don't want to add too much salt because too much salt, if you're making no glue slime, tends to actually not like unactivate your slime. So it's bad. Don't want it to not be activated. But once you stir that, so you're gonna want to put this mixture in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. You guys probably can't see me, but I'm gonna put it in my freezer. And now I'm gonna wait, but okay. So if you guys want more no glue slime recipes, I could definitely give you some recipes that are easy, just like at home stuff to have. But with this recipe, over a good amount of time, good period of time, it's going to melt because it's face wash. And we put it in the freezer to freeze up and get thicker, just like a slime. So it's not really like, it's a couple use slime, not like a homemade slime you can just reusing for a long period of time. So yeah, that's basically it. And if you guys want any other YouTube video ideas, then I can always do that for you. And be sure to check out my other channel and please subscribe. It's called Reese Ryback. That's one of my YouTube channel, like it's my life kind of. Not really my life, but like what I do, like fun activities in my life. Like I might go to the carnival in the summer and I have a pool, so I might show you some of that, and like while I have some of my good friends over. So yeah, that's gonna be really fun in the summertime. It's winter in Rhode Island, so pretty cold, and yeah. But this is not too much. I just got this from Target, and then that salt is just kosher normal salt you would get from the grocery store or something like that. But if you guys want to like comment down below like, oh, like Reese, please try this, because like it didn't work for me. But some of these won't work for me either, because like just I don't know, but that's basically it. So now I'm going to grab my face wash and salt mixture and see if it turned into slime, because I kind of just eyeballed this, and yeah, so I'm gonna go get it. As you see, it looks like that. To mix it around and see. Oh, it's a little liquidy, but I would say this turned into slime. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a few more minutes, maybe about 10 minutes more. I'm sorry, this editing is so bad, but I can't really edit my videos. I'm not that skilled. I just film on my phone or my iPad, but yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm just gonna back, and so you're just gonna want to wait 5-10-ish minutes in that kind of range, and yeah. So I'm actually on spring break right now. That's why I'm always having Catherine over, my friend. She did the morning routine and night routine. But if you guys please can comment how I should edit my videos on my iPad or my phone. That would be great help, because I'm just starting YouTube for fun, but I'm kind of taking it seriously now, because I want to try to, I don't know, make a YouTube channel, yeah? So, I'm home alone right now, but that's why I'm making this, and it's so quiet. It's never quiet in my house. And if you want to comment video ideas, or literally anything you want me to say, if it's summertime, if you want me to go I don't know, do a tour of my pool, and me swimming and stuff, that I would totally do that. Sorry. And so that's basically it. So I'm gonna grab the mixture again. Okay, let's see. Kind of worked. It's a jiggly slime. I'm gonna see if I can add more of this Neutrogena face wash. See, it's jiggling. It'll come out all in one piece too. If it weren't gonna come out. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna show you this stuff by itself. It's so slimy. Literally so slimy. Go out. Okay. So this is the face wash by itself. You could play with this as slime. Look at that. It's not really the greatest for ASMR, I guess, because it doesn't really make sounds. But it's a very nice jiggly kind of slime. I'll show you. I don't know, but it's nice. I mean, you can fold it over itself. It's not the greatest, but if you guys want to comment some slime videos, as I said, yeah, but I'm just gonna add this part I was playing with. Oh my god, look at that. I'm gonna add that to the mixture. and mix. This is like a fail. I probably will try this again. Maybe if you like say like what I should do differently to prevent this from happening. But I think alone, this would be super nice to play with. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.